How to fix Supercell ID verification code not received. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, head over to your email. Open your Gmail app and get logged into your email address that is registered with your Supercell account. Tap on three bar icon, then tap on to spam. Now make sure the email is not on your spam list. If you don't see your email here, then simply tap on empty span now and tap on to empty. Now once you do so, let's go ahead and open up our app. Then at this page, tap on the settings icon. From here, tap on help and support on your bottom left. Then tap on the message icon on your top right. Now here, tap on leave a message under contact us. Then tap on the first option that says login and Supercell ID issues. As you do so, you will see the automated text. Now here, try and continue having a conversation and tell them exactly what you are facing trouble with. And just like so, that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.